Hey y'all, please excuse my voice. My voice is basically gone and I sound horrible, so just ignore that. Alright, carry on. So I'm starting off with the Badescio Skin Prep in the Lavender scent. Then I'm going in with the Drunk Elephant C-Firma Day Serum and just rubbing this all over my face with like a pump. You don't really need much more than that. And to actually prime my face, I'm using the Dr. Brandt Pore No More Luminizer Primer, and this is actually one of my favorites. It feels so good on the skin. Then to prep my eyelids, I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in Fair and just rubbing that all in. Then I'm starting off with the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, and I'm picking up Weekender, and I'm just going to kind of start that in the crease. I don't really set my entire eye, I just do the crease in this video. Using the Luxie Taper Blending Brush in 205, and I'm picking up that Still Shot shade. It's kind of a peachy shade, and I'm just going to be buffing that in the crease and a little bit on the outer edge on both eyes. And then I'm picking up Baja, which is that deeper orange, and I'm just going to do the exact same thing with the same brush again. Now I am cutting the crease with my Catrice Liquid Camouflage, and once I dot it on my eye, I will just look up so it kind of stamps where I need it to. My eyes are really hooded, so you really just can't see it if I don't do this trick. You can actually kind of skip this step if you want to, because it is one of the Stila glitters. I just thought it might help make it last a little bit longer. And this is in the shade Rose Gold Retro. And I just kind of put this all over, but I don't go all the way to the edges, and I will blend that in with a brush later. Then I'm picking up an e.l.f. brush. This is just one of the really cheap ones, and I'm picking up the shade Riff, and I'm just packing that in on the outer edge just to kind of deepen it up, make it a little less intensely bright. And then I'm picking up Good As Gone with the same brush, and I'm just doing patting motions. I'm really not like buffing it at all, but it just kind of blends it in. Then I'm picking up my Luxie blending brush and picking up that same peachy shade that we did before and just buffing that over that crease. And I'm picking up Baja again and doing the exact same thing, but only on the outer edge. Y'all know I never really ever do eyeliner unless it's colored, but I've been loving this Kat Von D tattoo eyeliner because it gets it so thin, and I just added a simple line. And now I'm using one of the JH brushes from Morphe, and this is their foundation brush, and I'm just buffing in the Colourpop foundation, and I believe this is in the shade 20, light 20 I believe, yeah. And then I'm using the Catrice Liquid Camouflage, just dotting under the eyes, in the middle of my face, and my chin, just to brighten up those areas and conceal my dark circles. Then to set everything, I'm using my Coty Airspun powder, and I use my beauty blender to pat it into that main area where the concealer all is, and then I'll take a brush and I'll fluff it all over my face to kind of diffuse that and not use quite so much product. As you can see, it kind of has a little bit of a kick up, so just watch out for your dark clothes. For bronzer, I'm using the Essence Map Club bronzer. This is pretty warm and will really only work if you're really fair. And then for blush, I'm using the Anastasia Peachy Love Blush Trio. And I'm just kind of mixing that brighter orange shade and not the middle shade, but the other one. And I can't even remember the names now off the top of my head. Now, this is a trick that I do. I spray my face with the Morphe spray. And while I'm waiting for that to slightly dry, I'll go in with those same shades that we used on our cut crease, and I will just blend them underneath my eye, and then I'll add a little bit of the brown to just kind of deepen up the outer edge, but that's about it. And now I'm going to be using the Profusion Luminizer I, and I'm mixing that gold and that rose gold together, and it gives you just a really pretty nice intense highlight. I mean, this is very like glittery shimmery, and I just set that over that Morphe spray that still made our face a little bit damp. Now I'm using the Lancome Monsieur Big mascara and just coating my lashes upper and lower. And for lips, I'm just going to be using the MAC lipstick in Velvet Teddy on my mouth. Hey y'all, so this is the finished makeup look. I wish I could have talked throughout the whole thing, but I'm kind of losing my voice right now, so I figured I would just kind of like control it in a voiceover. Plus, it might make the video a little bit faster for you guys that don't want to sit through my last 20-minute video. I don't know why you wouldn't though. I mean, come on. But I'll have all the products listed down below, and I'll try to remember the brushes as I go through. Sometimes I do a really crappy job of remembering what brushes that I'm using. But yeah, I might do a video based on like products that I absolutely have to have. And I typically don't do that kind of thing here. I pretty much only do makeup tutorials. So if y'all would like that, go ahead and leave me a comment down below telling me that so that I know that people will actually watch it. But anyway, if you haven't already, then go follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook page. My Facebook page is more for like my clients and everything for my hair, but my Instagram is more for like everybody. They're for you guys, they're for my clients, they're for people who are just interested in my life in general. I'll leave all the links down below. It's at Made Up and Cutting Up, just like this YouTube channel. And yeah, thank y'all for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!